PS4 Black Edition. Right now I just finished doing a little small unpackaging of the digital tester. This is also a auto emergency kit for vehicles that you could have. This is the other stuff inside here. This is the normal analog tester for tires, but I wanted one where I could get a more quicker viewing. I went to the digital one. So we just go and check inside the kit and see what it have. Basically all these things is actually packed inside the kit, so we just open it up, see how everything packed, see how everything looking. Let's see what else we got here. Right, so to the bottom it's actually telling you exactly where everything is. Yeah, quick run through everything here. Right, so I'm showing you what the carrying gears come with. I'll have it in like Spanish on this side. So let's get to it open. This is from Bridgestone. You can see right there through the packaging. Let's just slide it out. If you want to take out everything. Alright, so basically this section here is the up by the tire inflator. This is a small 12-volt inflator. So you just plug it into the cigarette lighter here with the jack. And you have the holes here that's attached on to pump up the tire. Have a switch on and off. And it have the gauge telling you how much bars it have in it. Go PSI. And so see what the bottom have. Not much. Just a basic hard plastic. So over here we have the manual for it here. The instruction manual to show you how to operate it. I do have a jumper pack, but already have these things already. Could right across there. I can zoom in a little bit on it. So it have all the stuff on that side here. Alright, so that have basically all these things already on it. So the jumper cables here. The jumper pack have a battery inside, so it's just a jump on. I'm actually going to put this in one of my other vehicles. So take a look at this and see what clamping down here. That's what it's inside. Right. So the clamps does feel good and strong. Let's look at the out one. Spring, everything is very tight. Like some nice copper teeth there talking to you. The clamp down on the battery. The cable does feel good enough. I've seen thicker cables. Okay, I have an next pair of this, I believe, inside my van right now. I think that one actually have thicker jumper cables on that one. And this section, let's see the out. This pouch. Alright, so basically this pouch come with all the rest of small accessories. So it wouldn't just jumble up in your bag or just in a big bag. So you have a little hanger here. Just wrap this bag a little bit. Have a little hanger here. You can clip it anywhere in the vehicle and hang wherever you need to hang. Sometimes when you're changing your brakes and stuff and you want to hold up everything there, you can always clip that on it. Got the small little tire pressure gauge. Basically this and this is the same thing. One is a digital, one is the manual. So when you put this on the tuber coming off of the tire, it will actually shoot out this part down here, and this is what will tell you what the pressure is. Has some numbers on it here. That PSI right there. And this one, you sort of put it on the tire itself, and the writing will actually be inside the bar here. See what's it having here? It actually have a little small raincoat. Little small raincoat inside here. Have a small little knife. These knives does always come in handy. It is working with the lock for it here. Once you pull it out, it can move. Once it go in, you can move it at will. These knives are very sharp, so you have to be very careful with these stuff. Just looking like rubber gloves, small gloves in case you want to go on there and you don't want any oil or anything. Yeah, but little small gloves, tie straps. Anybody with a vehicle know how important tie straps is. And it have, this is the different part for the holes for the, for this here, the tire filter. You can always screw these attachments into the nozzle here. Like if you have a ball, this is the nozzle for it here. So you take this inspection and chuck it inside the ball, and this part will be screwed into the valve hole. If you may have a pool or inflatable boat or something, these other attachments could always be attached onto it as well, according to the size of either the blow pool you have or one of them small inflatable boats. You don't want to continue pumping with your hand. You just put screw in attachment and then chuck it inside the hole. Here it has something like duct tape. Duct tape is very important. Could be used for many different stuff. And this is a LED light. This is a very important thing as well, because when you're under a vehicle, you don't want to have no light in your hand and trying to operate with a tool at the same time. Sometimes you need your two hands in order to maneuver, especially in a tight space. You need to be able to maneuver properly. This is the switch right here. The batteries are here. It did come with some Duracell, looking like AAA. Make sure. Yep, AAA right there. And it have something to open here. Open and close. I wouldn't put any batteries right now because it is basically just for emergencies right now. I leave everything sealed up and airtight, especially batteries. You don't know how to take them out from these things. They start to lose power. So we can pack in all these things in the pouch. I'll pack all these things after. Let's make the video take much more longer. Anything else in here? Yeah. Back to that in a little while. This is the soft sheeting here that you could also use to go under the vehicle. Sometimes you might get a shutdown. It might be in a grassy area or a dirty area where you don't want to make your clothes get dirty. This is a big sheet in here that you can spread on the ground and go under and do any checks or do any repairs or anything under. We didn't stay too long dwelling on this. So let's wrap this here. Let's see if I can get it out here. Right, right? Basically this is an emergency triangle because it's shaped like a triangle. It's actually a reflector that you could stick on the vehicle, or you could put it on the ground so when you're doing work, if I could clip it in, you have a little splice in the back here, so slip it in. If I could get it in. Right, so let's stick it on the tiles here. So in case your body more out to the roadside, where you want to signal somebody, tell them, well, you know you're doing repairs on your vehicle, you could pop this light here, especially if it's night time. So you're working in the night, dead battery or something happened to you, and your vehicle can put on the park lights to indicate, well, you're under the vehicle or you're on the side of the vehicle. You could just put this outside to help with extra reflection, by either by your foot or something, so people will actually see that somebody's there, and they will pull away from the sign and hopefully make you get away from danger. So you can stick it on the glass, you can rest it on the ground, you know, prop it up, make sure that it's visible for people to see. So you can take back all that now. It does, see it have a nice folding action, so everything remains flat and easy. Can it rotate? Don't think it rotate. Can I get it to rotate? Because I just into this little splice here. Maybe I could just rotate it and put it up. The bottom here, so I could rotate as well. So you could put it in different positions. Alright, so I believe basically that's it for the kit. The video already go on for a long period of time, but you need to at least see what's inside the kit, what's coming, just in case you decide to buy one. That's what these videos are made for. So basically that's it for the Bridgestone emergency kit. Let's see, auto emergency kit. Alright, here, so Black Edition. Let's take back a quick look at the packaging itself. I'll actually show you. You can actually stick the sign there onto the glass. It's showing you the headpiece on your head. Showing your pumper and tire here with the tire inflator. That's when the jumper cables actually clap onto a clamp. And the whole overview of all the different stuff inside there. Alright, that's it. TS4 Black Edition out.